What happened when Gandhiji was in Motihari? He just came to know that there was some problem with the peasant in the nearby village. So Gandhiji decided to visit a nearby village when he came to know about an incident of ill treatment with the peasant. He was on the way. Now he was in Motihari, and when he was going to the peasant, then the superintendent of the messengers stopped him and ordered him to return back to the town. Gandhiji received the notice and signed a receipt on which he wrote that he would not obey the order. As a result, Gandhiji got summons to appear in court next day. What happened then? Gandhiji was on the way, and that time superintendent of police just ordered him to return back, and also give him a receipt. Gandhiji signed the receipt and write down there that he will not follow this order, he will disobey this order. As a result, Gandhiji got summoned by the court, and next day he has to appear in the court. Then Gandhiji telegraphed Rajendra Prasad and asked him to come to Bihar and get some powerful people along. Then Gandhiji sent a message to Rajendra Prasad. He sent some guidelines to the ashram and also telegraphed the whole matter to the viceroy. So Gandhiji sent a telegram and tell the whole matter to the viceroy also. Motihari was full of peasants as they wanted to Gandhiji for support. They only knew that there was a Mahatma who wanted to help them and was in trouble due to the officials. Now the people of the Motihari Champaran just knew that there was a person named Mahatma. He came there to help them, but he was in trouble due to official, so that's why all the peasants gathered there. It became difficult for the officials to control the mob. The mob means to control the people, all the gathered people there. They had to take Gandhiji help to regulate the crowd. They had to take Gandhiji help to regulate the crowd, meaning that now they are just taking the help of Gandhi, that he should say to people to disperse from there. He was giving them concrete proof that there might hit hurt or dreaded and unquestioned could be challenged by Indians. Now, arrival of so many people there was a proof of that thing. Now, these unquestioned people, unquestioned happening in their country, will be challenged by Indians. So, this is the first gathering of people for their rights. As the situation was getting tougher, the lawyer requested the court to postpone the trial by some days. The authorities decided to first consult the higher authorities. Gandhiji objected against the delay in the proceeding of the case. He read a statement in front of the court in which he accepted his fault in a very humble manner. Now the situation was getting tougher and tougher because so many peasants are there. So what Gandhiji also asking for the delay in the case. So the authorities said that they will consult to higher authorities about the case of Gandhiji. So dear Gandhiji accepted his fault that he had disobeyed the order by the court. What happened then? He said that he was not a lawbreaker and did not want to go against the law, but his duty towards humanity has a greater influence on him and it forced him to do so. Gandhiji, in the court, Gandhiji accepted his fault that he disobeyed the order of the court, but he said that he did not do it knowingly, or he did not want to break the law. He just want to help the humanity. He refused to leave the town because he wanted to help the sharecropper as it was his moral duty. Now what happened? The magistrate asked him to arrange for bail because he was going to give his judgment after the 2-hour long break. Gandhiji refused to seek bail and later on he was released without it. Then what happened? The judge asked him for the bail, but Gandhiji refused for bail. But after 2 hours lunch break, they just released Gandhiji without bail. When the court proceeding restarted, the judge refused to deliver any judgment for many days to come. He allowed Gandhiji to remain free. Then Gandhiji was freed by the judge and also No judgment was delivered on this case. Then what Gandhiji do? He called all the well-known lawyers like Zinder Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazrol, who came from Bihar to help and advise Gandhiji. Gandhiji asked that if he was sentenced to jail, matlab he was arrested and sent to jail, then what would be their course of action? Then what will be they do? One senior lawyer replied that they were there to help him out, and if he was sentenced to jail, then they would return back. Now, what happened? That Gandhiji asked all the people that what they will do if he was sentenced to jail. He was arrested and sent to jail. The one senior lawyer told that they too went back because they were here to just to help Gandhiji. That they went back if he was arrested. Some On hearing this, Gandhiji said that their struggle for Champaran peasant. Then what happened? Sorry, one line is missing there. Then what happened that when one senior lawyer said that they will go back, that Zinder Prasad stood there and said that if a stranger, if a outsider came to Bihar and Champaran just for the help of people here, then why not we, the people of Bihar, not stand for him? On hearing this, Gandhiji said that their struggle for Champaran peasant had been won. He divided the group into pairs of two and made a sequence in which they had to voluntarily surrender in the court. Gandhiji was very happy when he heard this from Rajinder Prasad. Then they all decided that they will also get arrested if Gandhiji was arrested that time. So Gandhiji divided the whole lawyers into two parts so that they will surrender in the court. After some days, the magistrate sent a letter to Gandhiji in which it was written that the case against him had been taken back. So after some days, the case was taken back. It was for the first time in modern India that a peaceful protest against the government had been born. Now it was the first time that court has freed the Gandhiji without any delay. Gandhiji and other lawyers carried on with an in-depth investigation into the injustice with the farmers. Statements of about 10,000 peasants were recorded and various documentary proofs were collected. The landlords protested. What happened then? Gandhiji and all the lawyers collect all the information. 10,000 records of people, of peasants were recorded for documentary proof. Various documentary proof were also collected. In June, Gandhiji was called by the Lieutenant Governor Sir Edward Gate. Before meeting him, he met his chief supporters and made plans for civil disobedience in case he did not return. When Gandhiji has to meet Lieutenant Governor, then Gandhiji made a plan with all his supporters that they will start civil disobedience movement in case he was arrested.